Hello traders, I'm Igor Bersanko and this is WaveTrading. So today let's start with Mexican dollar, where I've got a possible bullish impulse here in wave 3. I've just closed my long trade which was opened here because I planned just to trade this local impulse. At the same time I'm keeping my second trade because this wave could be a little bit bigger. Also I'm keeping my long trade on dollar index where I've got a possible third wave inside this wave 5. So if we see somewhere in here a local correction, I'm going to open the second trade. It seems like we have a flat pattern here on pound, so there is an opportunity to have another bearish impulse, this wave 3. So I have 6 short trades and I'm going to sell even more if we see here a downward impulse. Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar is interesting as well because it seems like we're going to have an extension in the third wave. So I'm keeping my 5 long trades and I'm going to buy more if bulls move on. I have just one long trade on Japanese yen and it's likely that wave 5 is going to take a form of a diagonal triangle, so we can have a bullish wave 5 somewhere in here. We've got a local correction on euro versus pound, which means this wave 3 is likely going to be continued. However, this correction is a little bit bigger than this wave 2. It could be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm not going to open a new trade here because this wave count is a little bit risky. I've got 2 long trades on dollar versus crown and there is an opportunity to have a bullish impulse in the third wave. Previously a zigzag in wave 2 has been formed and we've got a pullback from this moving average line. So I'm going to buy even more in the short term. I'm still out of the market on Turkish lira and it turns out like we have an extension in the third wave, so after a correction we could have another bullish impulse which could be wave 5 inside this wave 3. There is a possible zigzag in wave 2 on pound versus franc, so I'm waiting when this local impulse in wave C ends, and if so I'm going to sell more to trade this possible wave 3. And I'm out of the market on Australian dollar because this diagonal triangle is a little bit strange, so I'm waiting for confirmation which could be a bearish impulse in this possible wave 1. If it arrives, I'm going to sell to trade the third wave. And just an amazing story on dollar versus Swedish crown, because we've got 3 pullbacks from this amazing channel and bulls is likely going to deliver this wave 3. So I'm keeping my long trade and I'm going to buy more. It seems like this wave 5 on gold is going to be continued, so I have just one lot trade here, and when we see a complete bullish impulse here, I'm going to close my position. Yesterday I closed my short trade on oil. However, we have a local correction, so I've opened a new one to trade this local wave 5 inside this possible bearish impulse in wave C. Like ABC. And I'm keeping my long trade on Dow index because there is an opportunity to have another bullish impulse, this local wave 5. But there is a huge difference between 2 corrections, this wave 4 and this wave 2. So there is a huge risk to have a much deeper correction, this wave 4. And I'm still out of the market on Pepsi shares because we've got an extremely fast correction, which could be wave 2. So if we see here a pullback and small bullish impulse, which could be the first wave inside wave 3, I'm going to buy. And it seems like we're going to have a new high on HSBC shares, so I'm keeping my long trade and I moved my stop loss here, which means now it's a profitable stop. And there is a very bullish story on Goldman because we've got wave 4, small bullish impulse, which could be wave 1 inside wave 5, and this local correction, which could be wave 2. So I'm keeping my long trade and I'm going to buy even more if we see here bullish impulse in this wave 3. Facebook is still amazing because we've got a pullback from this moving average line and bulls are going to deliver this wave 3. Yesterday I opened another long trade, but it seems like I'm going to have a stop loss soon. So I'm going to wait when this correction ends and then I'm going to buy to trade this small wave 3 inside bigger wave 3, this price movement. I've got 2 trades on Apple. So this wave 5 is likely going to be continued, and also there is another wave count on the table, which means this wave 3 could be also extended. And the last trade today is the Bank of America, where I've got a possible bullish impulse in wave 5 in progress. So I'm keeping my trades here and I'm going to buy even more. So that's all for today's video. Have a good day and profitable trades. Take care and bye bye.